Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up PowerPoint to present on Zoom. Normally when you go into PowerPoint and click on the slideshow icon, it will take up the entire screen, which when you're doing a Zoom presentation might not be the best thing because it takes up all the real estate of your screen and doesn't allow you to see any of the other controls or any other item that's on your desktop. By using the Setup Show option, I'll show you how you can limit the size of the PowerPoint presentation to just a certain portion of your screen. And to do that, all you need to do is in PowerPoint, go up to the menu, top menu bar, and click on Slideshow, and then select Setup Show. From the pop-up window, you will click on the Browsed by an Individual Window option, and then click OK. Now, when we click on the slideshow icon, you'll notice that the PowerPoint presentation doesn't take up the entire screen. This gives us more space on the sides and gives you more real estate to work with when you're doing a presentation. So when you go into Zoom and you're going to share your screen, you will select the PowerPoint presentation from the options available to you and then click Share. And note how the PowerPoint presentation is highlighted in green. This lets you know that it is currently being shared. This feature allows you then to, if you wanted to see who your participants are, you can open up the participants window, and if you wanted to monitor the chats that are going on, you could do that as well. So this will allow you to do your presentation and be aware of the people that are talking and asking questions as you're doing your presentation. It's just a simple hint, a little tip that I've learned over the years that will help you to have a more effective Zoom PowerPoint presentation.